Hey guys, so I got another song for you. This one's a little bit older, but I love it. So this is by Lanco, and it's got The Greatest Love Story. So this is one of the easiest songs you could ever learn on guitar. You want a standard tuning, Capo on the 3rd fret, all right, and you're going to start with G, all right. So you're only going to use 3 chords throughout the song. It's going to be G, D. So the whole thing, you're going to keep your ring finger down on that same string, all right. So D, G, and then C add 9. So if you don't know what C add 9 is, you keep your ring finger on that same spot throughout the whole thing. It's called anchored in D. So you keep your ring finger there on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you are going to put these 2 fingers are going to be like in C. So your bird finger is going to be on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then your pointer finger is going to be on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, so then it's just like that. All right, so you go G, D, C add 9, G. That is the entire song, the whole way through. That's how I play it. So it's the intro is like this. All right, so it's G, D, C add 9, G, and then after that, when it's like ba-dum-dum, so that's just you're playing the A string and the D string on this one, okay? So it's you leave it open and then you hammer, and then you play the D string open, and then you're gonna play the C add 9. All right, like that. So and then the verses are just 1 strum down, and then you can't. I've seen some people do this, but it's up to you if you want to. I don't know if it really adds that much, but so it's just. They said I was nothing. If you want to do the tap, if you don't, it's just. They said I was nothing but a troublemaker, never up to no good. You were the perfect all-American girl, wouldn't stop me even if you could. All right, so it just does that over and over. Then the difference is in the chorus, then he's just playing it faster. All right, just like you were at the very beginning of the song. 'Cause I was gonna be forever, you were gonna be my wife. Now that we know a little better, we could have a real nice life. I know I got the lyrics messed up, but you get how it goes. So that's the entire song. The thing that I was really wishing when I was looking around and stuff was that no one said, I didn't see anyone say how you play that little. So again, just remember, you are playing open on A and then hammer in the 2nd fret, and then just open on the D string. All right, and then you go back into C add 9, just drum afterward. All right, so that's the entire song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but or if you want me to play anything else in particular, or teach you how to play anything else. All right, thanks. It's been great.